Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm so happy to introduce all of you guys to this cute little guy here. His name is Noddy, and Noddy will be our guest for next few videos as we train him. So Noddy's training has not been started yet, and I'm just starting with his trainings, and I thought I would take you guys along. It will be really fun watching him learn things and grow. For today's video, I'm planning to make Noddy to follow the commands for sit, down and stay. Now these are the basic commands and we should definitely make our puppy learn these few commands first. And let's see how Noddy does with these commands.
Alright, so these are the steps that we will follow to make Noddy sit. I have already made videos explaining these steps in detail, link in description box. And for today's video, I wanted to show you guys in real time how we can train a puppy. As you can see, I'm taking the treat above Noddy's head. He is super excited and jumping to get the treat. Better hold the treats in your fist so that he does not attempt to bite, rather just licks your hand. You need to have a lot of patience, just keep repeating these steps and at one point you will see that ultimately the puppy sits down.
Sit. Yes, good. Yes, good.
And just like that, puppy will learn sit. Once your puppy sits, you can take him to lie down position from that following these steps.
Down. Sit.
Initially, your dog may get up just like Noddy. That's totally fine. Just make him sit again and then repeat the step.
Down. Sit.
Awesome, did you guys see that? This is the point where we have to reward our puppy because he made one right move by moving that paw ahead. Let's try again, lure with the treat.
Down.
One paw ahead, great.
Sit.
Now this time I'm not gonna reward him, not even for moving that paw ahead, because there is a very fine line between encouraging the right move and confusing with what is expected from the dog. So now we will wait for him to make that right move.
Sit.
Starting from top, let's try again.
Sit. Sit.
Awesome, we got Noddy's first lie down. Now this is the point where I will reward Noddy with lots of treats, and you can also see that I'm trying to hold Noddy in this position by giving him continuous treats.
Down, Noddy.
So now I'm taking Noddy back to sit position. Make sure to practice few times before going on a break, otherwise your puppy will forget.
Down. Yes, very good, Noddy. Sit. Good boy. Noddy, down. Yes, good. Very good, Noddy. Down. Good. Sit. Sit. Down. Yes.
After practicing for a few times, you can now attempt to give this command from a little distance. As you can see, I'm now practicing standing. Our ultimate goal is to phase out whole gesture thing, and we just want to give the command standing. One more very important thing that I want to show you guys is this. Throughout the training, there will be failures in between, and that is totally fine. Even when you think, oh, everything is going fine, my dog is now trained, all of a sudden he will make one mistake in between. Do not get disappointed by that. Few mistakes here and then during the training are totally acceptable. Do not even worry about those. Just go from top and repeat the steps.
Sit. Yes. Down. Sit. Down. Very good, Noddy. Stay.
Noddy did great with stay command. Also, if you can see, I'm not giving him enough time to make any mistake. Like I said in my other video also, the key to training stay is to start from minimum and take to maximum. So that is what I'm doing here. I'm starting with minimum distance and a very short stay, and then I will gradually increase the distance and time.
Very good, Noddy. Stay. Stay. Good boy. Stay. Yes, good boy.
Few failures like I said, but that's okay. So what I'm gonna do now is not increase the distance. Let's keep it short because I feel that he may get distracted. and then work again towards increasing the distance.
Good. Stay. Good boy.
Let's do that. Let's increase the distance now. Awesome, that worked. Alright, let's level up this stay command now by adding a distraction. Again, let's keep things short, no long waiting times, avoid room for mistakes,
Stay.
and then work towards increasing the distance and time.
Stay. Very good, Noddy. Stay. Very good, Noddy. Stay. Very good.
Now I'm adding one more distraction for Noddy by turning my back towards him, which gives him more of a chance to cheat. But Noddy did great. He is
Very
awesome.
good. Stay. Very good boy. Stay. Stay. Very good. Okay, go take it.
So, what do you think? How did Noddy do? I think he was great. Single day for these 3 commands, it was awesome on his part. Definitely Noddy is not pro with these commands as of now, but we have set the base right, and now he knows the basics of these commands. And with time and with regular practice, Noddy will become a pro in these commands, and we will see that in near future. That is it for this video, guys. Thumbs up for Noddy, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.